Rosa Nunez, your favorite real estate agent. I'm here today. I'm so happy to show you this property. It just came out in the market. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. I'm gonna show you inside. Come on, let's go see it. As you enter this property, you step in the living room that has a picture window that overlooks the beautiful front yard. This family room has a fireplace and 2 big windows allowing the natural light to enter the home. You can also enjoy the beautiful sunset while having a nice dinner in this dining area that holds a table for 8 people. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and this kitchen is open to the dining room and to the family room, and that makes it perfect for holidays gatherings. And this is the owner suite. This room is big enough for a king-size bed and you still have extra space. The owner's bathroom has 2 sinks, a relaxing bathtub, and a separate shower. In the other side of the house, there are 2 nice-sized bedrooms, a bathroom, a laundry room, and why work in your kitchen table when you can have your own office? In this backyard, you can have your own private pool, build a tropical patio with palm trees, and have your own oasis in your property. I hope you like this property. Remember, if you need to buy or sell a home, just give me a call. You can get all my information on my website, rosasellshomesnow.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.